Hi everyone, welcome to Sophia Samosa Connections. Hope you're all doing good. And today I'm going to show you a very easy, simple, tasty jumbo shrimp fry. And I'm going to show you what are the ingredients and how I make this tasty recipe. And it's very easy to make, like less than 20 minutes. Let's dive in. And I have a jumbo shrimp with the shell on, and I'm going to wash them and clean them. I have a small cup of onion chopped nicely, and I have one tomato chopped nicely. You may use half a cup of tomato sauce, maybe 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, but it gives that flavor and taste. It is optional. And I have 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder and salt to taste. And I have 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Garam masala is optional, but it gives the flavor. Trust me, it tastes really good. How are we going to make? How am I going to make? You take a frying pan, saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and add onions and fry them nicely. Once it becomes translucent, add ginger garlic paste, fry them, and add the turmeric and the chili powder and the garam masala. Fry them nicely and add the tomatoes and add a little bit of oil and fry and wait until the tomatoes become soft. Once it becomes soft, and add the jumbo shrimp and cook them slowly and garnish with curry leaves and cilantro. It's perfect for rice or as a side dish, and you can eat it on a just hot plain rice or a bowl full of quinoa or a brown rice, and then you can eat them with some vegetables and shrimp. If you would like, you can add bell peppers, red, green, or yellow bell peppers, and that will add the flavor and the taste, and it will be filling. Hope you like my recipe, and like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.
Now I'll show you how to prepare this jumbo shrimp fry, a masala fry, step by step. I kept the shrimp ready, washed and cleaned. Take a cast iron or a frying saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add the onions and fry them nicely. Once it becomes translucent, add the ginger garlic paste, fry them until all the water evaporates, and now you can add the turmeric powder, and you are going to mix the turmeric powder with the ginger garlic paste nicely, saute them, and now you are going to add the chili powder and mix it with turmeric and the onion and the ginger garlic paste. And now you can add the garam masala, fry all the curry powder together and mix it nicely. Now you're going to add the tomatoes and let it cook until it becomes soft. Once it becomes soft and you are ready to put the shrimp, now add salt as well, and you're going to add the shrimp and mix it nicely and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes, and do not add water. Cook them slowly, and once it is done, garnish with cilantro and curry leaves. There you have a yummy shrimp masala, good to go. Masala